Hi guys, Sam here from Mx5 Modified. Got a bit of a surprise video today. I've decided that I'm going to treat Jap to another car mod for his car. Basically, he changed his back box to an ISR one, but it's way too loud. Even Jap thinks it's too loud. He has to keep on taking it off and then putting a quiet one on. And he's been deciding between the Malian single exit exhaust, which comes out to the side, or the Tommy exhaust, the titanium one. But after seeing recordings of a Tommy one with a decap manifold, it's really loud. If anything, it's just as loud as the ISR one. So ideally he wants the Malian one, but he's just not wanting to spend the money currently. But I'm willing to spend the money currently. So what I'm going to do is I found one which I'm going to basically just buy for him, and he's just not going to have any idea about it. There's been an offer on one of the listings that I've seen, so I'm going to essentially accept that offer, and hopefully it'll either be here tomorrow or the day after. And I was going to give it to him and say let's fit it together for a video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get his car over here and fit it without him knowing, and then basically he just comes up to his car and it's got the new exhaust on, and then we can chat about it as a bit of a surprise video. But yeah, I'm gonna go get it purchased, and then the next clip will be when it arrives and we unbox it, and then hopefully when we're fitting it next, and then after that we'll be getting Jap's first reaction of it. So let's move on to the next bit, and I'll see you guys soon. So the exhaust has just turned up, guys. I think it's time to open it now. Do the unboxing. Here it is. There we go. Look at that. There we go. So this is what's going to be fitted to Jap's car. Can't wait to get it fit. Alright guys, so I've got Jap's exhaust here. I've just pulled up at his house. I found out he's going to be out for at least a couple of hours, so I thought it's a good time to get it fit. He'll have no idea about it, and I'm excited to see his reaction. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it in terms of whether just leaving the exhaust on and then when he goes to turn it on it'll be different, or waiting to see if he actually sees the exhaust, or whether I tell him or get his car somewhere and then when he comes he'll see it. Still to be determined, but I think now we just need to get this bad boy fit, see how it looks. Right, so the first thing we'll need to do is get his old back box off. Well, there's not really a back box there, but get his muffler off by taking them two bolts off there, which is 17mm, and then we just have to pull it off the hanger there. So these are a comparison between the two, especially with the actual tip itself. This one's going to be a lot bigger, and it'll make it a tad quieter because it has got a bit of a back box. And I think it looks better because it comes out at an angle. But I think instead of talking about it, let's get it fit. Right, so I'm all finished now. Took a bit longer than expected, but we've got Jap's old exhaust off. We've got his new one on. I'll get some pictures and recordings tomorrow when it's a bit lighter, but I'm excited to see how he reacts to it, and it's going to sound amazing. One thing I did notice, it is quite low to the ground, so we might have to either cut the studs down or just make a bit of a different hole in the hanger if he wants it to sit a tiny bit higher. But I think he's going to love it, and I'm excited to see his reaction, so you guys will see that soon.
Hey up, Sam.
Hey up, you okay, good?
Yeah, you, have you managed to clean up your exhaust yet?
No, not yet. Yes, last night I was doing the calendars.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, the only thing you were doing last night?
I went to get a McFlurry.
And you went to go and put that exhaust up I saw it this morning.
Yeah.
Have you seen the video of this then?
No.
I started it up this morning. Sounds good.
Oh,
I didn't rev it.
Is it? Yeah, I didn't know if you'd noticed.
How good does it look?
It looks good. I've noticed it is quite low.
What,
The actual
exhaust tip?
No, the silencer.
Okay, yeah.
But so it looks good, but I didn't know if it would catch. Then if you went over a bump that was on the right.
I don't think so. I think it'll be all right. To be fair.
Is it? But yeah, you weren't gonna get it, and I knew you wanted it.
Yeah, I did, because it looked amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, you didn't have to.
No, well, I knew you wanted it. It looks ace.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
But yeah.
Could you see it properly last night?
No.
Okay, I'll send you a photo.
Perfect. Is it much different than the ISR?
Oh yeah.
In terms of the noise?
When I started it up, it still was loud, but it won't. I don't think it'd say it was as loud as the ISR.
Good.
I reckon it'll probably be as loud top end, but lower down it might not be as bad.
Yeah.
Which is what I'm after.
Yeah, well, I wondered if you wanted to go for a drive a bit later.
Oh yeah, I do, yeah.
Perfect.